homemade cold syrup. Actually, it's just kind of a cold remedy. First step, you're going to take an orange, a whole orange, and you're going to cut it into small pieces. Just like so.
Just let me have fun with this. How love you gonna go in there?
So it's the dead of winter, and there's not much outside farming going on right now. It's cold. We're expecting 7 inches of snow on Friday. Today is Tuesday. Colds are going around everywhere, so we thought we'd make some cold medicine. This is actually more of a preventive medicine. Once we make this, we usually put a teaspoon or so in our tea or in your coffee, or you can just take a teaspoon and swallow it a couple times a day whenever you have the beginning of a sore throat. It'll help you ward off a cold. And if you're like my daughter, you like to cut them up the hardest way possible.
Now we're gonna muddle.
Once you get all the orange slices into a jar,
Muddle, muddle, muddle. Muddle. Muddle, muddle.
get angry with it. There you go. Muddle it up good.
We have clove, ginger, allspice, cinnamon, cardamom, and they're measured out at a teaspoon each.
And now you remuddle. Muddle, muddle, muddle. Muddle, muddle, muddle. Muddle, 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 muddle. Once you've got it,
We're gonna add honey.
once it's well stirred, you fill the jar with honey. After the first ring, just like you do when you're canning, so you have that 1/4 inch headspace.
That's the lid for this. That's the problem. Make sure that your lid fits.
Now you just set it in a warm place for 2 hours. Take the lid off and stir it, then flip it upside down for 2 hours and it's ready to go. Add it to your coffee, to your tea, or just take a teaspoon straight.